How to take Amazon Prime subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can take your Amazon Prime subscription or how you can purchase Amazon Prime subscription. Now the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, in order to get your Amazon Prime subscription, what you can do is you can head over to your browser. On your browser, what you want to do is you want to search in for Amazon. Simply tap on Amazon Prime. Now you can see the very first link there, Prime Video. If you scroll down, you'll find amazon.com, Amazon Prime. You want to tap on that particular link. Now under it, now here you can see they are giving off a free 30 days trial for the first users. So you want to simply tap on start your free trial, and after that, if you make the purchase, then only $14.99 will be cut from your subscription. So you want to tap on start your 30 days trial. You can see you'll get movies, TV and Amazon originals, all the music plus the podcast, ad, save big on groceries and more from Prime. So you can select your payment method, add in gift card or vouchers, tap and continue, go ahead and make the purchase. You'll get the first 30 days trial, and after that you can go ahead and make the purchase and continue with Prime subscription if you like it. So this way you can take Amazon Prime subscription. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.